As the second largest polluter in the world, the fashion industry constantly looks for solutions, and digital clothing could be the answer. It is a sustainable option and it's good for brands and for people to go for digital fashion. It also makes it possible to wear impractical materials like wood, liquid, silver, or even dragon. 3D garment visualization software such as CLO3D is future of fashion. The demand for 3D pattern making skills is growing exponentially, and soon it will become new norm and require skills.
Hi, my name is Mamta Saharan and I'm expert in the area of fashion, apparel and textiles, and I have almost 3 years of teaching experience, so I'm an educator and a 3D designer.
Let's start with a brief introduction about this course. So this is an intermediate to advanced level course, so it's not for beginners in CLO3D. It's for people who already understand the fundamentals of CLO3D. You have your own way of working, but you know that there is a better, faster, more efficient way of working. That thing takes you half an hour to do. You know that there is probably a one-click solution. If that sounds familiar, this course is for you. We will start by understanding the 2D and 3D design visualization environment, and further we will learn and apply some advanced tools in CLO3D such as parametric patterns, auto-showing and dart manipulation, etc. Also, we will work in both CLO3D and Blender, so we can render garments, replace the skin texture of avatar, apply HDRI environments using a Blender Kit add-on, and create photorealistic garment images. And finally, we will discuss several animation and video creation techniques, including record various avatar animations using Adobe Mixamo tools. And of course, my bonus tips is related to attaching accessories such as earrings, necklaces. I believe in learning by doing, so I have added a lot of resources to this course, so you can follow along with me in videos, and there are activities for skill assessment and activity review videos to complete the assignments and practice the skills you have learned. So if you have no time to waste, let this course be your all-in-one professional development for CLO3D. Alright, even if you consider yourself a pretty heavy user of CLO3D, I promise you will find stuff in this course that will blow your CLO3D mind. So what are you waiting for? Sign up and I will see you in there.